What's going on? Oh, feel like it's been so long. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about what I pack for makeup for when I'm traveling. I use this guy right here. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. You can see the size difference. So I got a pretty big head, so imagine it's almost that size, so you can imagine, right? Basically, if I don't fit it in here, it's not coming with me. That helps me to not overpack, because a lot of times I don't even use half the makeup that I pack. So if it doesn't fit in here, including my brushes, it's not coming. So mainly for my brushes, I'll bring my face brushes, which is a blush brush, a highlighting brush, a blending brush, bronzer, foundation, highlighter, concealer, contour, powder, liquid contour, powder contour for the nose, and concealer for my face brushes. For my eye brushes, I keep it basic. I keep my primer brush, one or two blending brushes, so let's say we'll bring these two along, a flat definer brush, a brush for glitter, an inner corner eyeshadow brush, under the eyebrow brush, and sometimes I'll bring a lip brush if I'm bringing a red lip. I like to have a lip brush to do some cleanup. And that's it for brushes, even though that was a lot. Sometimes I bring lashes, sometimes I don't. Mainly it's a mascara type of vibe when I go on vacation or when I go away. So I don't want to be bothered with lashes and glue and all that. In regards to eyeshadow, I try to keep it pretty basic. I usually will use a eyeshadow palette that has both mattes and shimmers, so I just bring one palette, kind of like this guy here, and I got some light colors and then some dark colors if I want to do something more smoky. I have it all in one, so I don't have to pack a million eyeshadow palettes. The last trip I went on, I brought this one from MAC. They don't sell it anymore. This was a limited edition. It's the Patrick Starrr collab, but those colors they really matched my outfit, and that's why I brought this palette, and I used it every day, so it really worked out for me. Then usually when I go on vacation, it is in warmer temperatures, so I'm gonna get, you know, turnt and burnt. So I like to bring my darker shades of foundation with me. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte, which is beautiful. It's great. I love it. When I do tan, I'm more on the yellow side too, so this guy works really well. This is the Hourglass Stick Foundation in Sand. And then when I am like OG dark, like this is like summer color, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is more of a red undertone. When I get really dark, I start from yellow to red, if that makes sense. This is an amber beige. This is super red, but it works for me in the summer times when I am like brown. You understand? For brows, it's always gonna be Anastasia Brow Wiz. We got the mascara, Maybelline. We got Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. Yep. I got the NYX Photo Loving Primer because I have a lot of redness. My two concealers. This is more for coverage and this is more for highlighting, brightening underneath the eyes. And then I have the Marc Jacobs Contour Palette. For bronzer, I like to use the Younique Beachfront. Becca, poor Becca. I'm sad to see them go, but I still use the Becca Opal highlighter as well. For like a quick coverage, like I don't want to deal with liquid or anything, I still use the Bare Pro from Bare Minerals. I love this because it's a full coverage powder foundation and it's just easy, you know, quick. Just pop it, you know, it's just so simple. It's easy to use. That's the words I'm looking for. And I have all of that in here and I still have mad room to go, just so you know. For blush, I kind of keep it neutral. I usually bring Strike a Rose by Bare Minerals. And then lips. This is where shit can get carried away, like for real. I've narrowed it down to bringing a nude lip liner and lip, one gloss, and one bold color. And usually the bold color is based off of my outfits that I picked out. So let's just say for example, I'm wearing red. I got the red lipstick by MAC. This will be my nude set with the lip liner. This is a Bare Minerals matte lip. Ugh, it's running out. I'm so sad. This is like my favorite lip color and I do not think that they make this anymore. It's the Bare Minerals hemp color in the matte formula. And I got a lip gloss and this is from Scott Barnes, Scotty. And it's like a peachy nude-ish, pinkish with a little shimmer. I love this gloss. And then I bring, this also is determined on my outfit. Like today I have blue eyeliner on, so if I have like something like that where like an outfit that will go with that, I'll bring a few different eyeliner colors, but for the most part it's a black pencil and a black liquid eyeliner. And I will throw in my makeup wipes sometimes in here too. I know makeup wipes is so bad for you, blah blah blah, but it's easy. It takes the mascara off, which is annoying, but it takes it off. And you guys can see I still have so much room in here, so I've been doing really good. Mainly the thing that takes the most space is the brushes, but I need my brushes, so yeah. Especially my face brushes. I can do well with just a few eyeshadow brushes, but I need my face brushes. And sometimes, depending on the eyeshadow, you know, as a makeup artist, you should be able to make anything work, right? So sometimes I'll use like my blush as eyeshadow or my bronzer as an eyeshadow. If I don't have like a nice transition shade, I'll use my bronzer. If I need like a rosy color, I'll use my blush. So you make, how do I say this? You make it work. You know what I'm saying, with what you got. You don't have to bring your whole collection when you go away. Especially now that they lowered the weight. They lowered the weight limit to 40 pounds. Wasn't it 50? I thought it was 50. But I just came back from Miami and it was 40 pounds and my shit was 40 pounds on the dot. So I'm glad I didn't bring a shit ton of makeup because that shit would have been pricey. Alright y'all, that's all I got for today. Leave a comment down below what you bring on your trips. What are your go-to items? These are my go-to items. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, notifications, you know, just support a homegirl. Alright y'all, I will talk to you in my next one. Peace out.